me introduce you to the clearly filtered water pitcher. Even if you already own another water pitcher, think of this as a huge upgrade. Using affinity filtration technology, the clearly filtered water pitcher is able to remove more contaminants than any other pitcher. In fact, it's not even close. Here's what I mean. Most filters are only designed to make your water taste better, but there are hundreds of contaminants they are not able to remove. That means you may be the one who ends up drinking them. That's not the case with Clearly Filtered. It's able to remove over 200 of the most harmful chemicals, contaminants, and toxins that can be in your tap water. And the best part is, this process doesn't remove the essential minerals found in water that your body needs to stay healthy and hydrated. Out with the bad, in with the good. You shouldn't have to worry about what's in your water. With Clearly Filtered, you don't have to. And with a complete satisfaction guarantee, if you're not in love with your new pitcher, you can send it back for a full refund. No questions asked. Join over 100,000 people who have made the switch to Clearly Filtered. Don't you think it's time to upgrade your water?
Are dull knives keeping your kitchen from culinary greatness? Knives show wear and dull easily, but the best kitchens require consistent slicing and chopping. Solve your sharpening needs with the Priority Chef Diamond Knife Sharpener. Designed for size and efficiency, the Diamond Knife Sharpener is simple and compact, able to easily fit in a simple kitchen drawer. The Priority Chef Sharpener uses a two-step sharpening process to give you the exact edge you're looking for. The first slot is a coarse wheel with a diamond-coated grip. This slot is designed to shape the angle of your knife's edge, filing your blade to perfection. Use a pullback style only to best maintain your knives and the sharpener. The second slot is a ceramic wheel for honing the blade. It's a fine wheel designed to polish the edge of your knife. The Priority Chef Sharpener can be used on straight and serrated edges, capable of bringing any of your dull kitchen blades and knives back to life. The only rule regarding your sharpener is to never clean it or dip it in water. The key to cooking is using the best tools, and there's no better way to keep your knives sharp than with the Priority Chef Diamond Knife Sharpener.
The Presto Dehydro Digital Food Dehydrator is great for drying fruits, vegetables, herbs, and spices, and for making jerky and fruit rolls. Now you can dehydrate foods at a fraction of the cost of commercially dried foods. Dehydration maintains vitamins and minerals, and there's no need for additives and preservatives. It's great for homemade jerky too. Starter packs of jerky seasoning are included. Just use your choice of meat, poultry, or seafood and create your own delicious jerky. The Presto Digital Food Dehydrator also makes healthy, nutritious fruit snacks. 2 special sheets are provided for making fruit rolls and strips from pureed fresh, frozen, or canned fruit. And 2 non-stick mesh screens are also included. They're handy for drying small foods and for the easy removal of sticky foods. The Presto Digital Food Dehydrator comes with 6 trays for a big drying capacity. Extra trays are sold separately to expand the dehydrator up to a maximum of 12 trays. A bottom-mounted fan and heating element provide consistent airflow for optimum drying. There's no need to rotate trays. The digital thermostat and timer allow the selection of precise drying times and temperatures. Choose drying times up to 48 hours and temperatures from 90 degrees to 165 degrees. When the time is up, the dehydrator shuts off automatically to prevent over-drying. When you're done, the Presto Food Dehydrator stores easily. The cord wraps securely in the base, and the specially designed drying trays nest to save storage space. Simply flip every other tray over and nest it inside the previous one for a space savings of 43%. The Presto Dehydro Digital Food Dehydrator, great for drying fruits and vegetables and for making jerky and fruit rolls. Get one today.
love to eat pasta and spaghetti, but don't want to be loaded with carbs that bog you down and slow you down? Want to make eating vegetables fun and exciting again for yourself or your family? Look to increase your daily vegetable intake, but find vegetable prep too tedious? Want to lose weight while still enjoy your favorite foods? If so, the Briefton 7-Blade Spiralizer is your answer. It enables you to turn fresh veggies into faux noodles, which can then be used to make healthy and delicious meals in no time. It's the best kitchen gadget for a healthier you. And for more creative cooking, the Briefton 7-Blade Spiralizer is the latest 2018 model in the Briefton Spiralizer lineup, and it incorporates all the best features that our customers have long been waiting for. It's the complete Spiralizer package to get you started on your new healthy eating journey as easily as possible. Make fresh new dishes that you never thought would be possible. Get your creative juices flowing and replace traditional high-carb pasta with your favorite vegetables to create endless healthy recipes, such as fresh summer salad with spiralized zucchini and garnishes, summer stir-fries, spicy Asian zucchini cucumber noodle salad, potato twist, hash browns, zucchini noodles with pesto, Parmesan zucchini pasta, Thai salad, garnish spiralized zucchini Mediterranean salad. It all sounds great, right? But how easy is it to use the Spiralizer? The truth is, it can't be any easier to use it. Lock the suction pad down to secure the Spiralizer firmly on a flat surface. Put the provided plastic container at the other end to catch the results. Insert the vegetable or fruit. Turn the handle in a consistent clockwise motion while pushing the side handle forward. Spiral slices will come out from the other side. Not only is the Briefton 7-Blade Spiralizer easy to use, it's also quick and simple to clean. Just wash it after use with warm water and mild detergent, or put it in the dishwasher. And if your kitchen is small, fear not. The whole Spiralizer can be disassembled quickly and put away neatly inside a kitchen drawer. Its unique design means that you can also choose to store the Spiralizer compactly as a single unit with no loose pieces, ready to be used whenever you are ready.
When considering an air fryer as highly rated as ours, there's only one choice left to make: red, white, or black. Under every coat of paint is the same beautifully designed device, guaranteeing easy meals from start to finish, no matter what color you pick. It even gives helpful hints along the way. Need inspiration? Our chefs created 100 ideas for you and rigorously tested each one to ensure delicious results. Missing summer cookouts? Every entree needs a side. And to top it all off, get recipes of your own. Join the growing 𝐏𝐫𝐢𝐨 community on Facebook to share and find new food to try. So what are you waiting for? Find out for yourself. Revolutionize your kitchen.